Welcome back. All right, let's go ahead and let's make this gravity work here. So first things first is we're going to go to self.physicsworld.gravity is equal to down gravity. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to set it to down gravity here, but let's go to the player here and let's change one thing. We're going to go ahead and change the dynamic to true. So we'll go ahead and put that up in here and we'll build it and we'll take a look at how it all works here, and you can see that it does work. Now, the only thing that we need to do here with the gravity is we need to go and make sure that it switches on command. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, let's go to our override function touches began here. Let's change this out to touch location. And we don't have a touch location, but I always like to put it in whether we use it or not. And we're going to say this is touch location is equal to CG point. And the reason is that I like to access it wherever I want to. Okay, so we have our touch location, CG point here. And let's add in another function here, and we'll call this gravity switch logic. And we're going to go here and switch the gravity. So let's go and switch the gravity. We'll call this gravity switch logic. Okay, and so this is going to switch the gravity here. So we're going to say if gravity down is double equal to true, and so we're going to make this a multi-conditional if statement. Touch gravity is equal to true. Then we're going to go and say self.physicsworld.gravity is equal to up gravity. Okay, and then we're going to say gravity down is equal to false. Let's add in another if statement. We're going to say that this is gravity down is double equal to false, and touch gravity is equal to false. Okay, and then here we'll say self.physicsworld.gravity is equal to down gravity. We're also going to change the gravity down to true, and the gravity or touch gravity that is to true as well. Okay, and then lastly we need one more if statement here. We're going to say that this is gravity down is double equal to false, and touch gravity is double equal to true, and then we're going to say that this is touch gravity is equal to false. Okay, so we have the gravity is true, touch gravity is equal to true, then we set it to up gravity. And then we want to make sure that this touch gravity here is set to true here, so this if statement won't run here. And usually when you want to switch something, you need two variables. So let's take a look at this, and hopefully it does work. I always like to make sure that everything does work. All right, and look at that. And there's kind of a sweet spot here where you can kind of move in the middle here, okay? Look at that, we got a gravity flipping game. I think that looks pretty good. All right, this concludes the tutorial.